Bears are fascinating creatures, roaming diverse habitats from dense forests to icy tundras. Did you know that a grizzly bear can run up to 30 miles per hour? Their keen sense of smell allows them to detect food from miles away, making them excellent foragers. In the fall, many species, like the black bear, enter a state of hyperphagia, consuming up to 20,000 calories a day to prepare for hibernation. This remarkable adaptation helps them survive harsh winters, showcasing their resilience and intelligence. Bears belong to the family Ursidae, which includes 8 species: American black bear, Ursus americanus; brown bear, Ursus arctos; polar bear, Ursus maritimus; Asian black bear, Ursus thibetanus; spectacled bear, Tremarctos ornatus; sloth bear, Melursus ursinus; Andean bear, Tremarctos ornatus; Kodiak bear, Ursus arctos mittendorfi. Bears vary significantly in size. The smallest bear, the sun bear, can weigh as little as 60 pounds, while the largest, the polar bear, can weigh over 1,500 pounds. Body structure. Bears have a stout body, powerful limbs, and a broad head. They have sharp claws that can be up to 4 inches long, helpful for climbing and digging. Bears have thick fur that helps insulate them against cold temperatures. The color of their fur can vary widely, ranging from black and brown to white in polar bears, and even cinnamon or blonde. Bears are found on every continent except Antarctica and Australia. Their habitats range from forests and mountains to tundras and coastal regions. Most bear species are territorial and will mark their territory using scent markings, vocalizations, and physical signs like claw marks on trees. Bears are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. Their diet can include berries, nuts, roots, fish, small mammals, and carrion. Polar bears. Primarily carnivorous, they mainly hunt seals and rely on sea ice to access their prey. Black bears. Known to eat a significant amount of vegetation, including fruits and nuts, as well as insects and small animals. Bears have a keen sense of smell, which allows them to locate food from miles away. They can consume up to 20,000 calories a day in preparation for hibernation. Many bear species, especially in colder climates, hibernate during the winter months. They enter a state of torpor where the cellular metabolic rate decreases, allowing them to survive without eating. Hibernation can last from a few weeks to several months, depending on environmental conditions. During this time, bears rely on their fat reserves for energy. Bears typically breed in the spring or early summer. After a gestation period of about 6 to 8 months, female bears give birth while hibernating. Bear cubs are born blind and rely entirely on their mother for warmth and nourishment. A mother bear will usually have 1-4 cubs, and she is fiercely protective of them. Most bear species are solitary, coming together only during mating season or when a mother is raising her cubs. However, some species, like the polar bear, can be found in loose aggregations where food is abundant. Bears communicate through a variety of vocalizations, body language, and scent markings. They may grunt, growl, or make high-pitched sounds to express various emotions. Many bear species face threats from habitat loss, climate change, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. For example, polar bears are particularly vulnerable to the effects of climate change due to melting sea ice. Various organizations and governments are working to protect bear habitats and populations through legislation, conservation programs, and education. Bears are often featured in folklore and mythology, symbolizing strength, courage, and motherhood. Many indigenous cultures hold bears in high regard and consider them sacred. Bears appear in numerous books, films, and cartoons, often depicted as friendly and cuddly characters, such as Paddington Bear or Winnie the Pooh. Bears often stand on their hind legs to get a better view of their surroundings or to smell the air. This behavior can help them assess potential threats or locate food. Bears have one of the most acute senses of smell among land mammals. Their olfactory receptors are estimated to be about 100 times more sensitive than those of humans. This ability allows them to detect food, mates, and potential threats from miles away. Bears also have good hearing, which they use to detect sounds in their environment. While they may not see as well as humans, their combination of senses makes them effective predators and foragers. Bears are incredibly strong animals, capable of lifting heavy objects. For example, a grizzly bear can flip over a rock, weighing more than 1,000 pounds in search of food. Some bear species, particularly black bears, are excellent climbers. They use their strong limbs and sharp claws to climb trees for food or to escape predators. Bears engage in grooming behaviors to keep their fur clean and free of parasites. This is especially important for maintaining insulation and waterproofing in their fur. Young bears, in particular, are known for their playful behavior. They often engage in mock fighting and wrestling with each other, which helps develop their physical skills. Bears play a crucial role in their ecosystems as keystone species. Their feeding habits help control populations of plants and animals, and their foraging activities can promote nutrient cycling in the environment. Bears contribute to forest regeneration by dispersing seeds through their feces. This process helps maintain healthy plant populations and promotes biodiversity. Polar bears are classified as marine mammals because they spend most of their lives on sea ice and rely on the ocean for food. They are excellent swimmers and can swim for days at a time, covering distances of up to 60 miles without resting. Not all bears hibernate in the same way. For example, while black bears may enter a state of hibernation, they can also wake up and forage during warm spells in winter. In contrast, polar bears do not hibernate, but instead remain active throughout the year. During hibernation, a bear's heart rate drops significantly, and its metabolic rate decreases, allowing it to survive off fat reserves. Some bears can lose up to 30% of their body weight during this period. As human populations expand into bear habitats, conflicts can arise. This can include bears raiding garbage cans, bird feeders, and livestock. Education and proper waste management are essential to minimizing these conflicts. Ecotourism related to bear watching has become popular in many regions. People visit national parks and wildlife refuges to observe bears in their natural habitats, promoting conservation awareness. Male bears often engage in elaborate courtship behaviors to attract females, including vocalizations, scent marking, and physical displays of strength. The mating season for bears is typically brief, occurring in late spring to early summer. Females are only receptive for a short period, leading to competition among males. Bears are known for their ability to solve problems and learn from their experiences. They can remember specific locations for food sources and adapt their behaviors to changing environments. While not as common as in some primates, there have been observations of bears using tools, such as using rocks to break open shells or manipulate objects to access food. Bears are often seen as symbols of strength, courage, and protection in many cultures. In Native American traditions, bears are revered as powerful spirit animals and are often featured in stories and rituals. Some cultures hold festivals celebrating bears, reflecting their importance in local folklore and ecosystems. For example, the annual Bear Festival in certain regions highlights the cultural and ecological significance of bears. Bears are remarkable animals with complex behaviors, adaptations, and significant ecological roles. Their strength, intelligence, and social structures make them fascinating subjects of study and admiration. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button. And have a great day.